Hey guys, how's it going? So we are sitting on the floor of my kitchen. I just got home from work and I have a really exciting video that I just had to film as soon as I could so I can try and get it up this weekend. Yeah, I'm in my kitchen because I've got a giant skylight up there, so it's just like the best light. So as the title suggests, we're doing a bit of an unbox and swatch. So I ordered, so you're a bit further away so you can see all the action. I ordered a mystery box this week from Glamraider, which is a website in Australia that has like a bunch of brands, like heaps of brands. But most notably, it's like the only place where you can get Wet n Wild. They stock like Ofra, BH Cosmetics, a bunch of things. And so they had 3 mystery boxes on sale. One was like a standard box, it was $45. There was a deluxe one for $110, and then there was like a premium for like, might have been like $195 or something, like maybe a bit more than that, not sure. They're all sold out now, so like, yeah, this is more just for the swatching and the fun unboxing. I'm not gonna lie, these arrived 2 days ago at work and I took a peek. So I do have a small inkling of what's in these boxes. I kind of like snooped around, but I didn't unwrap anything and like swatch anything or go into too much details. So before I unbox, I thought it would just be cool, or a good idea, I suppose, to talk about mystery boxes, because I feel like I'm noticing this a lot as a thing that brands are kind of making available. So I think probably something that a lot of people ask is, should I buy a mystery box? Is it for me? That kind of thing. So personally, I love the surprise factor of this. It's like giving yourself a present and not knowing what's in that gift. Like, that's kind of fun. But that obviously comes with its drawbacks. So, for instance, if it's a particular brand, like Jeffree Star Cosmetics runs them, like a bunch, Colourpop. If it's a brand and you already have a lot of items in your collection from that brand, probably don't buy the mystery box, because there's a chance that you're going to, one, already have the products from that brand that you really wanted and the colours and things, or two, you'll get double up. So that can kind of taint the fun of it a bit. The other thing I would say is you have to be the kind of person who just likes to play and is okay to get maybe 1 or 2 items that aren't your favourite. That's important. And then for me, with this particular one, I was so for it because I've quite frequently surfed Glamraider and I've never bought anything. Yeah, so the third thing about mystery boxes is that often it's going to be products that are maybe about to no longer be good for sale. Like, essentially it's excess stock, right? So it could be in the colours and things that are less popular for sale. So that's important to take into consideration as well, because, you know, you're going to be buying those things, and if you're not the kind of person who's okay with a green mascara, then like, be careful about what you're choosing. So just do your research first. I recently ordered some stuff off Etsy from Australian makeup sellers, and one of them was a bit of a mystery bag from this person in Queensland. And sort of how I approach it is like, I look overall at their items that they have in the store, and then I determine if there's kind of like a critical mass of items that I'd be happy to have, and then a certain number of items that I would be like absolutely disappointed if I got. And if there's too many items that skew into that disappointed category, then don't buy the box. Don't do it, okay? Like, just don't do it. You're not going to enjoy it, and you're just going to be throwing away money. So, with that said, let's get into it. So, I'm pretty sure they did these mystery boxes because this is new packaging, this box. But like, so my mystery box came across 2 boxes. This one's quite heavy. This bigger one, weirdly, feels a bit lighter. I don't know, which should I open first? I'm gonna go with the big box. So it's like a bit bigger than my head for perspective. Okay. Woo-hoo-hoo. straight off the bat, I see Ofra liquid lipsticks. So like I said, I haven't tried like any of the brands that are on Glamraider, so absolutely everything is a first try for me in this unboxing. This is, ow, it stabbed me. Ow. This is Ofra long lasting liquid lipsticks. I'm assuming they're going to be matte. It says does not feather, creamy, moisturizing. Doesn't say, oh, for some, it does say Mani MUA, so I'm guessing this is like a Mani set of liquid lipsticks, and these look like full sizes, which is pretty impressive, I suppose. So I'm just going to swatch like one of them. These are all in neutral colors, which is great. Okay. Kind of smells like marshmallowy coconut. So that's that one. It's like a pinkish color, reddy, dusty pink, and then it looks like there's a darker version essentially and a lighter version as we go. Cool. I'm pretty sure it claimed there was over $240 of value in this box. I paid $110 for this box. So I'm just going to list the prices and tally up the value like over here or something like that. Cool? Great. So, okay, let's do this one. This one looks exciting. So this is from BH Cosmetics. It is the Duo Light Highlight 9 color palette. Awesome. So let's take a look. So it's obviously, okay. I don't know about you guys, but most of these colors to me are not highlighters. Like if I put some of this on my face, oh, it's got a mirror. Look, that's quite nice. There's a mirror in there. You can see my knees. Great. So I'm guessing they're all duochromes. That's why it's called Duo Light. Let's swatch. Okay, that feels nice. Maybe I'm wrong. Like that is a beautiful blue-green duochrome that has just, it kind of blended really nicely. That could be really nice. No, maybe the only colors, let's swatch this dark pink purple over here. Whoa, they kind of fade to give this really, that's over here. They kind of fade to give that a super cool effect there. Like, actually, I'm kind of into that. I was kind of wanting to try some more adventurous highlighters, and now it seems that I'm going to get that choice. Awesome. Okay. So this is probably one of those examples. This is clearly a lipstick from Revolution in the color Cliche, and I can already see from the bottom here that it is an intense, like proper purple. Do I have scissors? Oh, I just got my nails done. I don't want to ruin it. There we go. Okay. Oh Lord. Like, I'll move out of the way. Oh Lordy. Cool. I'm gonna swatch that. Oh, okay. That is super bright. To be honest, I love a bright lipstick. Like, there's a chance that I will wear this. But that's kind of the point of these boxes. Even if I don't really love every product, it should kind of work out to be good value overall. So, net win. I've just seen this box and it's Farsali. It's the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. Far out. These things are, it's so expensive. It's a moisturizer, it's an oil, it's a beauty oil that has gold in it, apparently. Cool. Alright, so we have a Wet n Wild Pro Blush Brush. I'm not gonna open that because it's a brush and I don't really need to. Cool. Slide. So this is an Ofra single eyeshadow in the shade Black. So obviously black's not a top selling colour. Oh, that's super clever, but kind of useless for this colour. It's like got that, and then if you flick it up, it's got a little mirror. It's a black eyeshadow though. Ooh, it feels quite like crusty. Oh, now I've just put like a huge black smudge on my hand. It's just a black eyeshadow. I can probably pop this out and pop it in my Z palette. I don't have a pure black in there, so it's not a bad thing to have in my collection by any means, so that's cool. The next thing here is this a mini? It's one of the Wet n Wild Color Icon quads. I don't know, I just feel like are these normally bigger? It's a very neutral one. I love these. These are great. It's cheap. I've never used the Wet n Wild one specifically, but like in Priceline, you'll find similar ones from like Revlon or whatever. So like pop this in your crease. Like this is your transition shade. Like this goes over the eyelid, highlight on the brow bone. Like it's super like user friendly and really like just a good idea. And then, you know, like these are very simple neutral colors. It's the kind of thing that someone who like puts on their makeup at work could really easily have in their handbag, and actually it's probably a really good use for me to just kind of put it in my to-go makeup bag, which has also like I keep like a small eyeliner, mascara mini, like a small lip gloss, like stuff like that fits in a compact bag. It's great for that kind of thing. Awesome. Okay, so next there's two things here. This is the it's I Heart Revolution. It's on the side there. This is the hidden, oh cute, it's in a little heart shape. It says it's the Triple Illuminator. Whoa, okay. See, this is the other thing about mystery boxes. This is not a highlighter for me. Like this color is like well dark for me. It's like a bronze. I could probably use it as like a very yellow bronzer. Okay. Next, there's also an Ofra highlighter in the shade Barley. So I've wanted to try these since Nikki Tutorials talks about them all the time. And Ofra is just not a brand that I know a lot about. Like, I'm pretty sure it's American. That's about it. That's all I know. It's not super readily available here. So this is the color Barley though. Oh, okay. That's pretty. This is the kind of thing I love. It's like a very pale gold with like a pinky shift, so sort of a duochrome blush. Sorry, highlighter. If I swatch that, so that is this color here, which you can see it picks up the light. That may also be a bit too dark for me, but we'll see. I really hope it's not, because like I know these are super expensive and I really wanted to try it, so fingers crossed. Great, so we're onto the small heavy pink box, and I love this box. It's holographic, looks super cool. Okay, this one's packed with a bit of tissue paper as well. Oh wow. Okay, interesting. So it's kind of all packaged together. It looks like palettes. I didn't open this one, so I don't really know. Okay, so there's two palettes in here. They're both eyeshadow palettes. One is the Revolution Makeup, the Emily Needs Edit. So I'm familiar with this collection. I know there was the Needs and the Wants, and the Wants, I thought it was a super cute idea and a super cute way of, let's open it up. So I've never used any of their eyeshadows. And I find, this is something I find really confusing, right? Because there's Revolution, there's I Heart Revolution, and I know they're both quite popular in the UK. But I just find it confusing that they're basically called the same thing. So this is cute, it's pink plastic, which is great. It still doesn't, let's see. It's pretty self-explanatory. Neutral eyeshadows, and then a highlighter, bronzer. It doesn't specifically say 4 times. I'm assuming this is meant to be a face powder, but like I wouldn't probably use it as that. I would use it to set my base. looks like shit. Like, I'm running my hand back and forth across it, and that is all I'm getting. Like, chalky nothingness. That's barely worth my time. The bronzer seems okay, maybe a bit orange. I don't know. This just doesn't look like it's amazing quality to me. So we'll have to see how we go on that one. I might give it a review, see what you guys think. And then I believe this is the final item. So this is the I Heart Revolution Death by Chocolate. It has 16 eyeshadows inspired by our obsession with chocolate. So let's try and get into it, shall we? So I know a lot of people are like, oh, those ones are just dupes for, or like rip-offs of the Too Faced. And I actually have no idea if that's correct or not. It's got a bit of like, oh no, I feel like there's a bit of powder on it. I hope it's not. It's okay. We're okay, don't worry. This is super pretty. Oh, actually, there's like, maybe, like it could be mold, which would be super concerning for me. You probably won't be able to, you probably won't be able to see this, but like, oh, there's a shitty sponge tip applicator. Do you see how there's like marks? Probably, I don't think that it's picking that up. I'll take a photo of it later, but like it looks like it wipes away, but it actually looks like the palette is a bit molded, which is not, did it a little bit for me. I'm sorry, I didn't want to leave this video on such a sad note. Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys, and I will hopefully see you in the next video.